Hi, I'm Dave Hilton and I'm here in the Renovation House at the National Self-Build and Renovation Centre in Swindon. If you're thinking of doing a renovation or a home improvement, then join us for the Guide to Renovation Projects, where we cover everything from what you're allowed to do under planning permission and permitted development, right through to the rules and regulations of managing the project yourself, as well as getting other trades in, as well as also looking at things like how to improve heating systems, how to improve your bathrooms, your kitchens, all of the things that perhaps you think might be easy, but actually who does what? Who designs in things like structural steels? Who manages the problems you might or might not have with neighbors? If any of these details are relevant to your plans, then do join us for the Guide to Renovation Projects here at the National Self-Build and Renovation Centre. Have a look at the website, look for the dates and book.